Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Here's the first of what, I don't know, 5 new fans I got over the past couple of weeks. One of 4 fans I got over spring break. This is the, I'm sure you saw my short on it featuring a Dead Mouse track, I Said, whatever. This is the Lasko Power Plus box fan. 3-speed, obviously. That weird ass thing. That's the back of it. Yeah. Just typical Lasko box fan. Well, actually not really typical, since the typical one is a 3733, which I do have, except it's kind of weird. Whatever. I'll get to that in another video, but this thing is absurdly expensive, brand new, so I decided to get it, well, I didn't decide. I found it at a thrift store, where I also happened to pick up something I've actually never seen before, which is this thing, a Windmere 9-inch. I've heard of Windmere's 9-inch fans before, like specifically something that's like basically the 9-inch version of the DF12 and DF7 or whatever. This is the TC10, presuming that it's a 10-inch fan, but well, we all know it's a 9-inch fan. But I've never seen one in this mesh style. So, anyways, that'll be something for a completely other video, a different video. You get what I mean. Moving on to the or back to the Power Plus. This thing is pretty cheaply made. Does not warrant the $45 price tag you can get it brand new at, which is quite frankly disgusting. I don't know why Lasko decided to price it so high, but whatever. This thing performs pretty similarly to a modern 3733. Matter of fact, I think my actual 3733, which is like right there, that thing, is more powerful than this, which is just stupid, and quite frankly, and is proof that fans have literally gotten cheaper over time. So, well, anyways, enough rambling around. Obviously, this thing has a, well, still haven't done that yet. Just untie the cord real quick, please. Things, I don't know if I've already said this in a video, but these things are really helpful. I would recommend getting them. These are like basically zip ties, but like I'm completely losing, I don't even know what they're called anymore. My brain is absolutely fried. So whatever, it's not important. Obviously it's a polarized plug. It's bent to shit for some reason, but also it's also the infamous blue plug. So that's just nice. I got this thing for like, what, 10 bucks? Not literally like a fourth of the price that you can get it new. A little expensive, but well, I didn't pay for it. My mom did, so not a big deal. And it's not even that expensive. I usually pay like for thrifted fans like upwards of 15 bucks, which is not that bad considering the fact that some of the fans I pay for are kind of rare. So whatever, enough about pricing and bullshit like that. Let's just stir it up on low. Yeah, it's also quite noisy, so as can be seen with many of Lasko's fans, they're all really noisy. high, which blows air, of course it does. It's a fan, it's supposed to be like that. But in doing so, it makes an absolute shitload of noise. So that's nice, I guess. Anyways, yeah, quick, literally like very short spin down. I'm not sure if that's because the bearings are going to shit, but or the blade is just really light. Pretty sure it's because the blade is just really light. Because hold on, let me actually see that real quick. Yeah, the blade is just incredibly light. So yeah, that'll probably do it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.